maranaos. Malo is a marano dance shows that many ways of wearing malo. The traditional woman's version shows this cloth of countless colorful designs, used mostly as a skirt, woven in many different ways, depending on the purpose the wearer. Other ways, the woven wear malo is as a shawl, a mantle, or a headpiece. During more recent dance documentation, a men's version was derived. This version shows a masculine rendition. How men don the malo, displaying its use as a sash or waistband, short or bahag, and a headgear that can be either functional while working in the fields or decorative as a turban. Ladies and gentlemen, the malo dance of the Maranaos.